This is Ben.
Nice to meet you.
I had to do this video because I have to brag with the fact that you drove all the way from Ottawa.
I did 4 hours in a rented cargo van.
Yes, you chose us.
I certainly did.
Why?
You guys have just a fantastic social media presence, which is how I found you in the first place. I knew about Emmo as a company, and I wanted specifically this one after doing some preliminary research. But not only did the dealership in Ottawa not have one, I'm from Ottawa, but when I phoned, you gave me much better, more thorough, and more trustworthy information than I got calling any other dealership in the province. So yeah, it was a very painless process.
As it should be. I think it helps because I'm the owner.
Yeah, absolutely.
It definitely does. I'm, I don't work on commission or anything, and it's true to us and everybody that works here. If you don't buy something because we couldn't find something to suit you, we're okay with that.
Right.
It's important that you find something that makes sense.
Absolutely.
And so we got the NOK. I mean, this is a beast. So you haven't even sat on one.
No.
Oh God. Okay. So here we go.
Oh yeah, that's proper, eh?
Yeah. It's got presence.
Absolutely.
And we upgraded the tires. That was another thing. We brought in some tires, not from Emmo, but you wanted, more meaty, grippy. So yeah, we put those on for you. And if you want, you can actually adjust these handlebars too. We can do that too if you want to have them just a little, although you got a good bend in the elbow, but if you want that, no problem. How tall are you?
I'm about 5'7".
Yeah. See, and I like the NOK because it does. I had the shortest lady buy one of these.
Really?
Shorter than me, but she sat on this, and it's the way the seat is. It's super comfortable, but it fits, even though it is a bigger bike, it fits like everybody. Yeah, the NOK's done really well. They're going to keep this one for a while. This replaced the GT84. You can put the saddlebags on it if you want in the future. I like the color.
Me too. Yeah, this was the selling feature, was the color.
Yeah.
I also want to highlight just an example of the excellent quality customer service. I come from a customer service background, so this kind of thing sticks out to me. But one of the first questions Jolene asked me before I even saw the trim options for the bike was what my favorite color was. And they found me a bluish tone to match.
Color is important.
Absolutely. Very overlooked though. Very overlooked.
Well, if you have to spend money on something and then you just don't quite get the color you really want, I think it takes away from the joy of the purchase when you have to settle for something.
Absolutely.
Gorgeous. Well, I honestly thank you. It really means a lot. We have people from all over Canada, Florida, but for you to drive 6:38 this morning, he emails, "I'm on my way." Like, that's dedication. You've been up early, well before the sunrise.
I couldn't sleep a wink. It was like a kid on Christmas.
Thanks, man. Means a lot.
My pleasure.
Thanks for doing the video too.
Of course. Bye.
That's cool.